Good morning, I'm Jorge Sastre. I'm a professor, a Fulbright visiting scholar from Spain that I'm visiting New York University. With host Agnieszka Roginska, the professor from the Music Technology Group, and Peter Travel as liaison. And today we are going to create collaboratively art for the music that our awesome performers are going to perform. This is a project that is made with our system Soundcool.org that is there. And in this project, the system is Soundcool is a system for collaborative creation that you can download at soundcool.org. There is the version in English. And it's a system that works in the computer, but can be controlled with tablets to make collaborative creation easy. We have here our social networks. For instance, the Instagram. Recently, we have published an article with Audacity, the famous audio editor, whose co-creator works with us, is Roger Dannenberg. And we had this article. You can see it in Soundcool. To follow us, it's Soundcool Project in Instagram and Facebook, and also in YouTube. I cannot continue without thanking all our team, with Nuria Lloret, Stefano Scalani, Roger Dannenberg from Carnegie Mellon University, always a friend, and many more people that has worked in this project. Idoia Uribarri, etc., 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 and all the past collaborators that we write there, not to forget them. Okay. Here, if you press the YouTube channel, you will see this. There is some videos for like learning a little bit how Soundcool works, and there are the videos for applications. We started using the system in education, and one of the projects, the biggest projects we have done with the system is an opera. An opera where children create all the sound effects of the opera, because it's an opera of magical theme. And there is a dragon, there is a witch, and we make them do all the effects of the opera and record them and edit them and then perform them with their tablets.